Hi, I'm Corin Stepp. I'm an MFP specialist, and today I'll be showing you how to diagnose no speaker volume from your Windows computer. First, we'll start off with just to verify if your speakers on your computer are muted. You can go down to the bottom right-hand corner and you'll see a speaker icon. If there are waves emitting from the speaker icon, that means your speakers are active. If there is an X next to the speaker icon, that will mean that your speakers are muted. By clicking on this icon, you can then immediately adjust the volume on the speakers. If you right-click on the speaker icon, you can open up the sound output. My volume is set to 100%. If we right-click on the speaker icon at the bottom right-hand corner in your taskbar, you can also open up your volume mixer, and it shows the applications that are using your speakers. Both of my volume sliders are set to 100%. If we right-click on it again, we can open up sounds. And when you click on the playback tab, you'll see here that I have a green check mark. Right-clicking on that, you can verify that your default device is selected. One way to test the sound on your speakers is by selecting Test, and you'll hear an audible tone. And now I'll show you how to diagnose sound issues on a Mac device. First, we'll start off by accessing the system preferences. There is a gray gear in your taskbar. If it's not down there, you can actually navigate to the upper left-hand corner of your Mac where there's a Apple logo and select System Preferences. And here you can diagnose where your sound issues may be coming from. There's a output volume slider at the bottom of the window. You'll notice that if you slide it all the way down, you'll have a blue box with a white check mark next to mute, which could be causing some of your sound issues. And that's how you troubleshoot sound issues on both a Windows and a Mac computer. Look forward to seeing you on the next video.